Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have a nice old Lockwood padlock. Got this from Randy Perkins. We have no key with it, a long bit of chain but no key. Fairly paracentric keyway, 5 pins, quite a nice decoration on it. Quite similar to the Yale 800 series design. So let's get this in here and see if we can get it open. So quite an awkward little pick, this one. Takes a lot of tension and you'll see how much if we can get it picked. So let's start at the front. So we've got nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3, binding but it doesn't really want it. There we go, a little click out of 3, 4, nice click on 4, still no movement on the core or anything, and 5, I've got a little bit of movement out of 5, nothing positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so nothing seems to want to move. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, right, another click on 4 there. Oh, yeah, that was 4, 5, 1 and 2, right, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, click on 3, 4, 5, nothing on 5, 1, 2, 3 have dropped down. Right, we've got a nice click on 3 that time. 4, 5, 'Still nothing. Just let the tension off, make sure nothing's overset. Nothing on 1. Right, a little click on 2, 3, 4, and 5, and there we go. Now this is the problem. We can see how much we've got there, but if we get a screwdriver and quite a lot of effort, and there we go, finally open. So a lot of spring tension in there on the core. Be nice to try it with a key, but I haven't got one that fits even. But there we go, all nice and open. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.